Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have learned a little more about the outage that affected Microsoft 365 and Azure Cloud Services yesterday. Microsoft came out and said that they were victim of a massive distributed denial of service attack, and that it actually took down the servers. Now, normally they have mitigation that actually impacts these DDoS, these attacks, but they say that a problem with or an error in the way that the mitigation was done, instead of helping and lowering the impact of the problem, it actually amplified the problem and made the problem worse, basically. So they said they have fixed the mitigation efforts. So if something like that happens again, they will have a mitigation, which means that they'll rapidly come back online. Now they have no idea who the threat actor is, what is behind this massive distributed denial of service attack, which basically is a huge amount of data being sent to servers. And because of the high traffic that overwhelms the servers, they actually shut down or create error messages because there's just too much traffic going on. So they are investigating. They say that they will actually have a report within 72 hours as to where it came from, who could be behind it. And of course, they have said that now they have fixed the mitigation efforts, which means that if a massive DDoS attack happens again, it will rapidly be mitigated and servers will come back online. So we'll see what happens next, but it's, I think, in 2023, the last time they were actually attacked by a group which was attacking them several times, actually, during a short period of time. They were attacked by a group. So we'll see, and we'll see who is behind maybe this attack, but that's the reason why everything went down yesterday for Microsoft 365 and Azure Cloud. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.